Assalamualaikum dear students, I am Hina. Today I am here with another the most important topic, binomial versus negative binomial and the geometric distribution. These are the discrete probability distributions and they are quite similar to each other, but they are quite different inside. I'm in this lecture. I am not interested to write PDF or to explain you to find out mean, variance, and mode of these distribution. I'm just going to give out the most important concept about these discrete distribution. So I'm talking about binomial versus a negative binomial and a geometric distribution. As the name indicates that negative binomial distribution, it's mean that negative binomial distribution is the inverse or the opposite of the binomial distribution, and then geometric distribution. So we are going stepwise, first with the binomial distribution, and then with negative binomial distribution, and then with geometric distribution. So our main topic is binomial versus is negative binomial versus is geometric distribution, right? So I'm writing here binomial versus is negative binomial and geometric distribution, and this is my topic of interest. Mm, Binomial versus is negative binomial and geometric distribution, right? And I prefer to make a table so that you can easily get out what is inside these distributions, right? I think it is not possible here, so I move to the word window. Here I am. Now I'm looking inside the question. How can you can get the questions about binomial distribution? As you can see that binomial deals with how many success you get in fixed number of trials. Here the point of interest is binomial distribution is success. How many success you get in fixed number of trials. Mean your trials are fixed and how many success you get in a fixed number of trials. As I already told you that negative binomial distribution is an opposite of the binomial distribution. So opposite of success is trial and the opposite of trial is success. How many trials, right? You need to get fixed number of successes. Here your problem is resolved to memorize and repeat that what is binomial and what is negative binomial. Just keep in mind that binomial distribution, opposite of the binomial distribution is the negative binomial distribution, or the it's an inverse of the binomial distribution. Just memorize binomial distribution deals with the number of successes in a fixed number of trials, whereas negative binomial distribution deals with the trials in a fixed number of successes, right? Next, I move to the geometric distribution. As I already told you, I left these column behind so that I can give you a good explanation about this. Geometric distribution is the special case of the negative binomial distribution. As you can see that I move in a sequence. First, I go to the binomial distribution, then I go to the negative binomial distribution, and then I go to a geometric distribution. It is easy to memorize like this. Negative binomial distribution is the inverse of binomial distribution, and geometric distribution is the special case of geometric distribution when your success is equal to 1. The more common example of this is mean that how many trials you need to get 100 passing units, right? How many trials you need to get 100 passing units mean आपको टोटल पासिंग यूनिट रिक्वायर होने के लिए कितने ट्रायल्स की जरूरत है. In geometric distribution, how many trials you need to get to 1 passing units? Mean first success. When you get first success, then your geometric distribution requirement is fulfilled, right? How many trials you need to get 1 success? Or if you go through the example, then another example is this: how many cars pass to get yellow car? 1 yellow car, right? So keep this thing in mind that binomial, negative binomial and geometric distribution both move side by side. And when you come to the random variable, and in case of random variable, in binomial distribution, you are concerned about how many success. In negative binomial distribution, you are concerned about how many trials, right? How many trials. And in negative binomial distribution, you are concerned about how many trials, but here the parameter is changed. Understand? Keep this thing in mind that these distributions are similar aside and move side by side, but you just need to focus on the important things or inside of the distribution. Hope this lecture is very useful for all of you and you can get a lot from this. Thank you so much.